Hi, this is Brad from T.CON again, and today we're going to take a look at an additional aspect of our solution, MES CAT. More specifically, we're going to take a look at one of our work centers, in this case, the slitting machine or slitter. So let's get started. So if you take a look, here is the application or the work center for the slitter. So we're going to click on that. And as you can see, it opens up. This is not always necessary, but here you can register personnel for this work center. So we're going to log them on. And then we're going to take a look at the top left. And this is where you can pull the patterns out. Now what we've done here is have kind of a description of the slitting pattern, but also a visual representation. So in most cases, this comes from a trim optimization tool, such as our trim suite. And here you can see the various different kind of a visual aspect of what the pattern is supposed to look like. So we're going to select one, and then we'll activate it. And as you can see, it sets up the user interface to match that production order or that slitting pattern. So you have kind of the trim, the lanes for the various different reels with their width and length. And then you have various different aspects. So the number of splices that were in the material when it was produced. You can also have various different categorizations of the material. So for example, let's say one reel needs to be sent for rework, needs to be blocked, or needs to be defect. And here's kind of an interesting, if you click on that, you can have a dialog open up that requires the user to give an explanation of why that is being labeled as defect. So you can see there's various different options here available. It has a similar tab structure to a lot of our other work centers, which allows customers to add and remove tabs and detail as needed, where things can be recorded. You can also see somewhat of a similar visualization here to the right. But this just gives you a feel of how we've designed a lot of our work centers to work for industry-specific cases. So in future videos, we'll take a look at additional work centers as well as additional functionality in our MES CAT tool. Thank you for your time. Bye.